What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching. And today we're going to talk about the BSR. If you don't know what the BSR is, it's the buyer sales rank. And yes, I'm in the middle of the ocean right now. I'm taking my time out to make a video for you guys. So, first thing we're going to talk about is the BSR, which is again the buyer sales rank. I'm going to use somebody's sheet that they kind of gave us, a guide to go by. Watch Me Amazon, you can just find him. His name is David. He pretty much gives you pretty good advice on how to do Amazon FBA. And there's another sheet that I got like last year that I originally went by, but this one came through my feed of about a week and a half ago, maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I just copied it as well. I'll leave both of these at the end of the video or at some point in the video so you can see exactly what I'm going by. So pretty much, these are pretty much telling you the guidelines. So if I go find a product that's in books, and when I scan the book, and if it has a rank of 1 million or under, it's gonna sell pretty quickly. These are that's the guidelines that they go by. Everybody is different. I personally, if I see a book 3 million and under, I will personally buy it. But right here, you can see this is a little bit more detailed. So let's say I'm gonna just stick with books. The top 5%, if you see books that's with a rank of 6 million and under, that means those books are in the top 10%. So if I see a book that's 3 million and under, that's in the top 5%. If I see a book that's 624,000, that's in the top 1%. So pretty much what you're telling is, if I buy a book with 600 and something thousand, that book's gonna go immediately. So that's that guideline that you can go by. And again, I'm just going to leave all of this in the end of the video, and I'm just trying to leave links to these people in the description box so you can exactly see where I get my information from. And I personally, again, it's kind of like a basis of what they say. Again, just take on what you want. If you want to take a chance on a book that's 10 million in rank, I've done that before, and I've sold a book that had 10 million in rank, and it got there and it pretty much sold within a week. And then I've had books that I bought, same kind of situation, 9 million rank, and it's still sitting in the warehouse. So that's just completely up to you. But again, this is just a quick video to show you exactly the BSR, because that's kind of important when you're scanning items and you need to know exactly what you need to buy. But anyways, thank you again for watching my video, and I will check y'all when I get off this boat to talk about some more Amazon FBA.
No. He's just out here.